Sweden's Ground Combat School, Markstridsskolan, confirmed the country's largest ever armored vehicle modernization project, a sweeping plan that will deliver 154 new generation tanks, designated Stridsvagn 123, to the Swedish Armed Forces by 2031. The program combines a comprehensive overhaul of 110 existing Stridsvagn 122 tanks with the procurement of 44 brand new Leopard 2A8 units. The upgraded versions will be labeled Strv 123A, while the newly constructed tanks will bear the designation Strv 123B. Despite retaining the proven MTU MB873 engine with 1,500 horsepower, the Strv 123A will be a significant leap forward in capability. Among the key enhancements is the replacement of the legacy L44 gun with the 120mm L55A1, capable of firing advanced programmable ammunition. These enhancements, though built on the familiar Leopard 2A5 platform, signify a near-total transformation of the vehicle's combat systems. The Franco-German defense conglomerate KNDS, composed of Krauss-Maffei Wegmann and Nexter, has been tasked with delivering both the upgraded and new-build tanks. Deliveries of the modernized Strv 123A are scheduled to run from 2027 through 2030, while the Strv 123B models will be handed over between 2028 and 2031. 10 of the latter will serve to replace units previously transferred to Ukraine. The entire project is part of Sweden's broader ambition to expand its armored capabilities in line with its 4-brigade mechanized force objective and growing defense commitments within NATO. The modernization initiative began with a 3.5 billion Swedish kronor, 301 million euros, agreement signed on October 10, 2023, covering the first 44 Strv 122 upgrades. A subsequent deal signed on January 9, 2025, added 66 more upgrades and the order for 44 new tanks, pushing total expenditures past 1.91 billion euros. All 110 upgrades will be derived from Sweden's existing inventory of Strv 122s, co-developed decades ago by Hägglunds and KMW. Once deliveries are complete, Sweden's operational tank fleet will expand by 33 units. The upgrades to the Strv 123A include comprehensive enhancements. Aside from the new L55A1 gun, nearly all electronic components are being replaced with NATO-compatible systems found in other modern Leopard variants. The gunner's and commander's optics are being upgraded, and a night vision camera is being installed for the driver. Thermal sensors for both the front and rear have been added, as well as updated defensive systems, including machine guns, smoke launchers, and reinforced track and suspension components to handle added weight. The program doesn't stop with vehicles. A full-spectrum support package is being developed, including combat munitions, training simulators, technical manuals, logistics software, and new workshop tools. Training programs for instructors, mechanics, and operators are underway, and the Swedish military's infrastructure, from garages to transport logistics, is being restructured to accommodate the new fleet. Maintenance systems like GOF, Boris, CARIO, and others are being modernized in tandem. While the Strv 123B may appear similar to the Strv 122 to the untrained eye, it is a fundamentally new platform. Built on the Leopard 2A8 architecture, it integrates state-of-the-art armor, enhanced mobility, cutting-edge electronics, and greater battlefield resilience. Armed with the same 120mm L55A1 cannon as its counterpart, the 123B also mounts two 7.62mm machine guns, one coaxial, one for anti-aircraft defense. Its design supports a crew of 4 and features a top speed of around 70 km per hour. Full NATO integration is a cornerstone of both tank versions. Sweden's Leopard 2A5, based Strv 122 first entered service in the late 1990s as a joint effort between German and Swedish firms. It came with modular armor, internal anti-fragmentation liners, and a fire suppression system, and has since participated in numerous NATO exercises, including operations in Slovakia. However, the Strv 123 series marks the most significant overhaul in the tank's service history, modernizing the fleet for continued use well into the 2040s. The transformation effort is being led by Colonel Lennart Widerström, head of the Swedish Land Warfare School. He was appointed by the Chief of Army as the program's implementation leader, coordinating across FMV, Army staff, FMTS, and industry partners. Full operational readiness will be declared only after crews are trained, vehicles and equipment are delivered, and regiments are capable of independently initiating their own training cycles. Once fully realized, the Strv-123 project will arm Sweden with a technologically unified tank force tailored for national defense and NATO joint operations, ready to confront evolving threats across Europe and beyond.